Hello to all of my subscribers and newcomers. Welcome to my page. And thank you so much for tapping in. It has been quite a while since the last time I posted a video on my channel. I haven't been as consistent with YouTube like I have with Instagram and TikTok. So I will be working on doing that more often and posting more. Today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I install my wigs. I'll be installing a closure wig today though. So yeah. In this video, I am going to be more focused on laying the front portion of my hair flat, about maybe 2 to 4 inches away from my hairline, especially since I'm not worried about the back of my head. I really just need the front to look good for pictures and things of that sort. So yeah, but this is how I install my wigs for when I don't plan on wearing the wigs for like a long period of time. It's just something, something to install like real quick. Nothing too major. So yeah, but I really hope that you guys enjoy this video. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. I will be putting at the end of the video, I'm gonna put my social media tags so that you guys can follow me on those social platforms. I do follow back, so don't be scared. I got you, girl. So yeah, but yeah, I will be posting again soon enough. So I will see y'all then. Y'all have a good day.